আসসালামু আলাইকুম এভরিওয়ান, আশা করছি সবাই ভালো আছেন। কিভাবে আমরা আমাদের বন্ধুদের সাথে কুরবানির পশু কেনা বেচা নিয়ে পরামর্শ করতে পারি, ইংলিশে কিভাবে বলতে পারি সে বিষয়ে আমরা একটু আলোচনা করব। চলো আমরা শুরু করি। Hey, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine, thank you.
So the 𝗙𝗙𝗪𝗪 is coming. So I need to buy a cow. Do you have any suggestion for me?
Yes, suggestion means have you decided your budget yet?
I think I would like. I'm not going to cross 1 lakh.
1 lakh is good enough, I think. It's a nice budget as well. All right, so in this budget, what I advise you that you should careful about the defects. The animal should be defect free first.
So what should I look for? Sacrificial animal.
Okay, for the sacrificial animal, the first thing I already have told you that you have to be very careful that there is no middleman, there is no defects, and the animal should be very stout, and you can check by checking the cow's eyes, skin, like is there any kinds of defects or not, that sort of things you should consider.
Where should I go? Which place should best to buy a sacrificial animal like cow?
Okay, you can visit if you want to buy a cow from Dhaka, so 𝗙𝗹𝗹𝗶𝗋 would be the best choice for you. There is a lot of variety of cow available in 𝗙𝗹𝗹𝗶𝗋, and you have to be very careful about the brokers.
Okay, so because it's my first time, so do you like to come with me?
Yeah, for sure, why not? Just let me know when you want to go there.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. সো এভাবে আমরা খুব সুন্দরভাবে আপনার বন্ধুর সাথে পরামর্শ করে নিতে পারেন কিভাবে আপনারা কুরবানির গরু কিনতে যাচ্ছেন। থ্যাংক ইউ।